Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This week it is Rogan, the Half-Ogre Rogue. He was primed in Desert Sands as I'm running out of German Panzer Grey, so I'll be using the sand colour a lot more now. The first colour I'm starting off with is Angel Green for his cloak. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can ask me on Facebook where there will be high-res photos of this guy. If you want a faster answer, you can also ask me on Twitch where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. The next colour is charred brown for his padded leather armour. Now onto the skin with barbarian flesh. I then used the leather brown to add some details such as the belt and the things hanging from it, just to separate it all a little bit. I next went on to highlight the armour with Monster Brown. You can highlight the boots and gloves as well with this colour, but I wanted to keep them separate as they don't look quite the same, as padded leather is very different to just folded leather. I now moved on to another highlight with elven flesh for the skin. I finally finished the base colours with gunmetal for all of the metallic parts. To add some detail to the face, I used bone white for the tusks and his eyes. I next went back to some highlights with green skin for the cloak, getting all the raised areas and leaving that angel green in the recesses. While waiting for the green to dry, I used uniform grey to do the base. With the green skin now dry, I used goblin green to add a more highlight to the most exposed areas of the robe. I now moved on to the washes, starting off with a flesh wash for all of his exposed skin. The next wash is mid-brown for all of the leather armour and the base. The final wash is military shader for the cloak and also on the base, mixing it with that mid-brown to get a bit more of a variation in the tone. And that will be it for Rogan. He's pretty tiny for what I would consider a half-ogre, but either way, he's still a good mini to add into a bandit group that was just going to ruin the party's travel plans. As always, there will be high-res images of this guy on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can ask me live on Twitch, where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, but most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.